Ayo, what's up, everybody? Welcome to New York. Pew, 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 pew. I did it with a sigh because, oh my goodness, it's been a long day, but it's okay. Bam, ba, da, 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 da. Hope everyone is doing absolutely amazing today. Yep, I just said amazing. We're gonna go with it. Okie dokie. So, first things first.
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
Okay. Here's still the new weekly opening gap. So I see this would not have tagged me in if I'd used this range. Okay, so that range would have been a win, but not the correct confluences, so it is fine. I've done that one. Awesome. That actually went straight bob to bob. Straight bob to bob. Oh no! Oops. Now, let's quickly mark out our things. Our things and stuff and thingies and stuffies. So, London low. Done. Asia high was taken out. We're still going. That goes across there. This also needs to go across. I just need to zoom the heck in to get it across. Seriously. Stop that. This is the new daily opening gap right there. Here's midnight. Do you think we're just gonna quickly drop into midnight and then go? I'm still just forward testing this today. This is what I had set up. The target was Asia high. Yeah. Funsies. Anyways, let us now see. So how would I have set this one up? Still learning how to do this. Like I said, still learning. Don't be greedy. Let's see how this now goes. You gotta always test the waters before you jump into things. Hey Kobe, what's up? Debbie, what is happening? Did you just say good morning, llama? Kobe, do you think that's a llama? Do you? Now I'm low-key concerned. Okay, wait. I also need to quickly do this. I'm gonna mark out this high because I still think this is quite a key level over here. I'm just not gonna label it as anything. Okay. They're done. Hey Bob, what's up? How you doing? Running awesome. Kobe, yeah. It's a donkey. Check, it's not a llama, it's a donkey.
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
Look at them ears. That's them donkey ears right there. Okay, let's do this. Bam. Ba-da-da-da-dum. Okay. Now we have a itty bitty bit of time. I'm still gonna do some forward testing with the bob levels. Just saying. Forward testing with the bob levels still. Let's see if an opportunity presents itself for my strategy during New York. Let's see. Ah, makes sense now. There we go. Okay, cool. I know it is also at a weird angle, so it's understandable. I get it. I get it. Kobe, how goes it? How goes the trading? How goes the everything? All the things and the things and the stuff and the things. Okay, we have 10 minutes. We have 10 minutes. Oh, I want to go get water, but Harry's now there. It is Friday, go have fun. What's up? Not only is it Friday, it is Friday the 13th, people. Do with that information what you will. But it is indeed Friday the 13th. Which is wild. Ba-dum. Damn, I see everyone's been having banger trades today. Works going trade. Interesting. So I'm just going through the Discord quickly. I'm waiting for Ninja to put the new one on. Just saying. Just saying, Ninja. No pressure, but I am waiting. Bum bum ba-dum. Ba-ra-da-da-dum. Okay, let's do this. Sam, when is the market closing? What do you mean, when is the market closing? Like for the day? Or for the weekend, I guess? My day was good. I had an alarm set 20 minutes prior to Asia open this morning, so it's done and dusted. Nice. So now what? Kobe, now you're just chilling? No, that's fine, that's fine. For the weekend, it closes the usual time. Sugar honey iced tea. What time? What is it, 5 p.m? No, it's not 5 p.m. What time does it close normally, guys? Sorry, SA time is a little bit different. It basically closes midnight-ish here. Yeah, basically 5 p.m. EST time. Yeah, it'll close 5 p.m. EST time. So wait, Kobe, then what have you been doing the rest of the day? And what are your plans for the weekend? Well, I'm not, but sweet treats, hi, welcome. Let us do this. Ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-bam. Yeah, that can go there. Sam, you are welcome. You are more than welcome. Let's get this ready. Okay. I'd say pretty successful with the forward testing today. Pretty successful. Anyways, let's see, this hectic zone was tapped into. Let's do a quick sticks top to bottom analysis. Let's do that quickly. We have 6 minutes to go. Quick top to bottom analysis. Aw, cheers, Debbie. Mad love. Thank you for joining. No plan, going to church. Nice. I'm glad you asked. I'm happy to tell you I did nothing. I went to hold the horse for my dad to shoe earlier this morning. Damn. No, actually, when I took, so the farrier actually came for my horse this morning as well. So I went and got his shoes. So I have his shoes in my car, and I'm like, look, look, look. Well, his old shoes. You know what they say, horseshoes are good luck. On Friday the 13th, maybe that's not a bad thing. I did say it might come retest back up into this, but then the midnight open is below. Ooh, I have no clue what this is going to do today. What do you guys think this is going to end up doing today? It's right by midnight. Normally I use midnight. Midnight is below, so theoretically bearish. Hands off today, be patient. Hey JP, what's up? Any live after the market close? Nah, sorry Sam. Nothing then. I love it. Also, to be a farrier, shame. Your dad's pullback. I I think being a farrier is one of the most difficult things to be. Especially because you are so important. You are so important. There's a lot of pressure. Yeah, so it's created basically equal highs here, relative equal highs. 736, and I'll actually just mark that as relative equal highs, but it didn't quite tap into this fair value gap on the 1 hour just yet, this bearish one. Close, but not yet. 752.25, it would break above and actually tap back into this fair value gap. Yes, that's the 1 hour. What's the 15 look like? Yeah, I guess nothing's jumping out at me. Okay, let's do this now that the 5 minute has happened. The rejection like this, I would be... Was there news or something here? 8:45. No, news happened earlier, didn't it? No, 8:30, there was some news. This rejection off of here would have made me tempted to enter in. But that... Patience, there's always another trade. There's always another trade. So I was able to forward test 3 trades today. 1 loss, 2 winners. Very, very cool. Very, very cool. We have jolts. I saw that, Bob. I did see that, so... Does that then mean hands off until 10? Then you base... Ugh, yeah. Okay. Yeah. Let's see, midnight is right there. I think my ultimate goal is buy a horse ranch one day. I mean, JP, that's a good goal, except horses be very expensive, just think. I really love this job, so I'm happy for him. His pullback, I know, yeah, no, 100%. Aw. Thanks for the new sub, Charles. Anyone else have any cool things planned for... Oh, wait. See, I wanted to go get water, but we have 2 minutes. I can wait. I can wait to go and get water. I don't need the water right this second. I'm kind of neutral this morning. I'm expecting some karate chop. Bob quotes. Bob, do you know what I realized? 90% of your quotes are about chop. Just saying. Not all, obviously, but 90% of your quotes are about chop. Bob, what narrative today? I'm looking for shorts, but it might not be the best of ideas. So it looks like a lot of people are leaning towards shorty shorts today. At least, woo! Do you know what I nearly forgot? I nearly forgot to get fun fact of the day ready. That would have been disgusting. The fun fact this morning was pretty cool, and it was pretty on par with regards to Friday the 13th. So let's see. Okay, now 1 minute to go. I was forced to lean one way, I'd slightly lean bearish, but this is DAX, so anything can happen. Am I interested in cryptocurrency investments? I know it's random to ask, but I'm just curious what I think. Kobe, I don't think I know enough about it, to be fair. I want to invest. I would like to invest, but and cryptocurrency feels scary. I don't know why. I don't know if it makes any sense either. I know some people swear by it. You know, some people that is like everything. Bump to bump. B to B. Hey, Jose! How goes it? Are we ready? 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, let's go.
Tweezers. That's a very good double bottom. If If I was the gambling man, I would have taken a buy there. I don't know why I did that in low-key a Forrest Gump voice, but anyways. You're good. Pretty decent. Let's see though, it is like the first minute. Let's not get ahead of ourselves. Have to wait for the on and on and on and ons to happen. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I mean, this wouldn't be ideal. Would be a win though. Well, no. No. Not great. Oh, sugar honey iced tea. Okay, here's the 930 range. But that is why you would want it to break above there. It's just... would be a low R, but that's okay. OG, am I in profit or drawdown for the day? I was hoping that was going to put some pressure down, but I can't do macros yet. Mr. Pix, what's up? Done for the day. It was a battle, but I got the target. Yay, Hannah, well done. Yo, OTT. I think it's gonna drop 50% change. Let's see. Back on top of the new weekly opening gap. Okay, so we're in that 9:30 AM range. I mean, it was an okay opening candle. Okay, no, 50 points is pretty good. Soldier boy, what's up? Soldier boy in the house. Pew 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 pew. How you doing? Like my stats. Either way, I will be a. True. I know. I was like 50% chance. I love it. Sorry, I find this very interesting. I know this is like half R. I'm just curious about something. Sure, buyers want to take over, the sellers are just not letting it happen right now. I've come for my one bat. Soldier boy, you know I actually did it this morning when it hit that 24 level, well 24,400. I actually specifically did it for you, even though you weren't here. So I will do it for you again because your TP did hit. It actually hit and then basically reversed off of your TP. So that was like spot on. So you, sorry Perry, like moved everything. No, I love you. You don't have to move. It's okay. So this is for Soldier boy. Just for Soldier boy. Big wicks be terrifying. Holy guacamole, look at this 5 minute. Holy guacamole, look at this 5 minute. 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 5 that has been formed here. Sure, you would think it would want to come and sort out this wick on the 5 minute, but let's see. Let's see. Ah, okay, so it would have been a loss. Would have been risky, but it's okay. Word of the wise, leave Naz alone today. Hey Shinra, why do you say that? Out of curiosity. Let's put this funded back from the depth of hell, Robocop. Yes! Even if today is not the day, do you know what? It's fine. I did some forward testing today. Would have had 2 wins, 1 loss. That's really not bad. Autocorrect irritated me. That don't care, soldier boy. Epic monkeys, dude. We're in downward channel, so I think big wicks at top and drop. There we go. Pretty solid there. Let's see how it reacts here. Hence forward testing, right? Right. And what are your thoughts on it? It's low-key scary, isn't it? Ooh, like this one wasn't swept. I was watching them earlier as well, and I was like, oh, look at it go. Whenever you want to test, wait for break and retest. Oh, sugar honey ice, you stupid new weekly opening gap. You are actually very irritating. Still rejecting. Rejection of... Oh, this one doesn't have... So the middle's basically on the midnight. Broke below. Damn. Okay. ES and NQ look very different. ES actually looks ready to start climbing. Okay, let's see. When their barcode loads up orders, the next target will be the next volume cluster. Simple. What would you reckon one would need to make a living from trading? Hey, Sub-Zero. That's actually quite a valid question, guys. What do you think? I guess it depends on what lifestyle you have as well. That's quite a in-depth question. What type of lifestyle have you got? Oh, wait, this is the first presented. I've got to mark this bad boy out. Oh, you little rubbish. Why are we doing this? Okay, here's first presented as well. Retested that, broke above. How's this look on the 5 minute right now? What in the wiki word is that? Problem is for this, I don't even know where I would have placed. Maybe there. On the 1 minute, the 5 minute doesn't look great. This would have maybe been an option. Had it like that. I mean, I'm not loving that it's stuck right now, but also not the worst thing. Let's see how this reacts here. Struggling to break above 930 range. Personal capital 3 to 5k USD in an account. Funding is a different story. Well, I guess I would need to earn 2k to cover all my costs comfortably. And then a little bit extra on top, hey? Per month, I'm assuming. Sub-zero. How long did I learn to, well, how long did it take me to learn futures? Well, I mean, I feel like I'm still learning, to be fair. I really, really feel like I am indeed still learning. And I have been trading for 11 months now. 11 months, which feels wild. I've a little experience trading forex, but I really want to gain deeper knowledge and improve my skills. I've seen that you're doing well in it. Oh, well, Sam, I'm actually not trading forex. I'm trading the Nasdaq futures, not forex. What site do I use? So I'm on TradingView currently, using top 1 futures. That's where my funded account is right now. With top 1 futures, I'm trading on TradingView. Birdfather, what's up? Why are we laughing? What happened? What did I miss? I've tried teaching 30 students of the years, all came to using real capital. One guy lost your opinion and said, I'm done. What? Are you serious, Hammer? That is interesting. 11 months, wow. Looks longer than that. Aw, Eddie, I appreciate that. Boom. Okay. Okay. So that would have been quite a nice solid 1 to 2 hour. Just shy of 1 to 2 hour trade right there. Look at that. Confirmation on the 1 minute. It was not a good confirmation on the 5 minute though. But the 1 minute was the winner chicken dinner for this one. Interesting. Nice. Okay. Bob, let's see what rejection or reaction we get here. Bob, did you take that? Where did you get your entry though? Trading forex instead of future is the first mistake. Ooh, SNN, why do you say that? Good morning, Maya. Stop by Cello. Greetings from Honduras. What's up, David G? How are you? In an ES long. Just went break even. Okay, that is awesome, OTT. Keep me posted. Let's see, this is basically relative equal highs. Let's see what it takes and if it does indeed taketh it. Okay, it tooketh it. This is the next, yeah. What's the next one to be taken? That's now gone bye-bye. What the hey diddly day? Okay, bye! Cheerio! Oh gosh, if you can trade the DAX and third ink, it's more behaved. Interesting. Really? My partial, go long, you're missing profits. Okay, I still trade CFD, I love it. So there we go, because Forex is you against broker. They go broke if their people make long-term money. How much do you recommend starting out with? I was thinking $50 just to learn. Ooh, no, I would have to say like a minimum, like minimum at least $100, especially with like prop firms and. Put in what you, more like Hammer, I think it's only put in what you are happy to lose. Maybe that's the better thing to say, right? Put in what you are happy to lose. Oof. This is an engulfing, but is this a goodie? What does this look like on the 5 minute now? What the heck is this on the 5 minute? Okay. I don't even know where I would place that, to be fair. Maybe, yeah, bottom 1.6R there with that huge engulfing. That's definitely, there we go. Thing is, you just have to be quick with this. So I guess when I start off, I'm gonna start off with like data lever marketing. And so here, when it broke, 5 minute would be there, 1 minute, this would be the engulfing, in which case you could actually move stop loss to the middle. That's not bad on the 1 minute. At 1 minute engulfing, I get a little bit nervous of engulfing, so maybe the 5 minute would be better. Insane disrespect. Never market makers will pay for this. Robocop. Man, put in 100 full port. That 1k, then full port again, guys. I can't give resource like this for free. I'm like, what's trying to buy a Bugatti next week? First 30 minutes is almost guaranteed to move one level. How was this? Was this a bit too quick and rushed? Bob, I'm actually not sure if I showed you. Did I show you the one that didn't work out? Hey Harold, what's up? Fun Hoen, what's up? Okay, well, I mean, so far forward testing is going really well. I know obviously it's different if you're not having to put anything in, right? It would be the engulfing and then it just freaking went. Wow. Quick question, did you already upload your own trading strategy? What do you mean by upload? Like on YouTube? Come on, baby ES, hit my TP, took a partial again. Yeah, OTT, but that's okay. Now I'm break even for the week. That's not bad. That's not bad, OTT. Ooh, let's see. This at least gives it a buffer for it to come and retest down back into it. Not an in-depth one, Harold, no. What is the graph for? What graph? This graph? Ob levels. Be happy always luck in work trading. Am I ready for what's happening? Problem is, okay, hear me out. That's a little bit insane. Let's see. Do not rush into things. Do not rush into things. This is why we wait for them confirmations. Interesting. Okay. Made it more like that. Okay, let's see how it reacts here. So not so much at the middle. That's all the way down there. 0.6, not bad. No. Bob to bob, that's good. Let it look like so. Just ran through it so nicely. Coming back. Sorry. I'm probably forward testing today. Hey Dragon, what's up? Do you know 90 to 97 are not profitable in the long run? Yep, I know. Why? What's up? So asking, but what am I doing? Hey, I am forward testing something. What's up? How you doing? Looking forward to training, strat guide, and YouTube if you have time. Oh, thanks, Harold. Yeah, no, I will. What do you not understand? What app is good for trading in mobile? I've never tried. Who trades on their phone? Which app is good? Is TradingView good to trade on your phone? A buy is risky, not near 50% fibs. I mean, the 50% is there. If this takes me out, break even, can't complain. NQ shot up 100 points. What's up, Max Portal? So sweet and simply, this did, if I'm not mistaken, this did also hit that. Yeah, this jumped above that freaking key level. So for it to come back down is not really that much of a surprise. Let's see how it reacts here on the 1 minute again. If this works out, can you guys get me a cookie? I'm kind of in the mood for sweeties. Learning by observing. Aw, Toby, you're awesome. How are you doing, by the way? For mobile trading views. Analysis for mobile trading views. Okay, yeah, thanks, Dazed. Sorry, I've never actually tried to trade on my phone before. I'm so sorry. I've never tried to trade on my phone before, so yeah, curious. It is solidly overextended to the buy side. I'm not even gonna like sugarcoat that right now. I mean, this is basically the freaking 15-minute candle. So it did break above 15-minute, did come back. Okay, let's see what this looks like on the 5. So there's the 15. Big wick is a little bit scary. I do trading on phone, but it's much better on laptop and you can fidget more on the charts. Ah, but do you want to be fidgeting on the charts? Now that is the question. Dun dun dun. I'm good. On my way to work. Oh, nice! In Norway. That is so cool. Trader Locker is great. Oh, so Trader Locker is great on the phone. I've never actually heard of them. Sorry, I'm kind of in shock right now. Phone trading much more time consuming than laptop. It's the only good thing you can trade anyway on phone. True. Best trade was the first presented in first fit at a gap entry. I know trade is 8. Oh, yeah, and then it like just came in and took off. Yeah. It was pretty ding dang juicy. Let's see here how this reacts. OTT, you still in this, hey? You flattest uncle, you use oh MT5, got it. I thought you were trying to say the 5 minute for a second. It took my brain a minute there. Can I trade in my phone with the side? Yes. Points is what in general? Bob? this to this, or like this whole freaking range? And yeah, this is forward testing. This isn't my strategy. I'm not about to like hop into trades my first day forward testing this. Did a little bit of back testing yesterday, so I thought, let me forward test, let me make sure that I see the confirmations like in time, on the second, on the chart. So I'm forward testing this. I mean, here's my setup. Yeah. In all honesty, I think this is too big for me to take. It's not bad. What does my setup look like on the 5-minute? I mean, got fair value gap here. Got this. 1, 2. One, two. Shoot, this doesn't even have 3 confluences. On the 1 minute? Does this even have 3 confluences on the 1 minute? Oh, this looks like it might be forming an M formation. I'm not sure if this is gonna go back up to bob level. This actually doesn't have 3 confluences. What? And stop loss is above the first presented. You can maybe argue that the 5-minute and the 9:30 could be a confluence. Not as strong as the first presented though, but maybe. I was gonna take it, but it's not my model. I'm not taking a loss. I didn't want to do something dumb. It's a banger trade, yep. Through to TP. You think so? I mean, it did reject there twice times. Let's see. Wall Street 30 is follow. I'm in. Gabriel, what's up? The trade on forward testing, your TP is my TP, basically. Oh, damn. Okay. Okay. Nice. What side? So I'm currently using TradingView. This is TradingView that I'm in right now. News in a few. Okay. News is in 3 minutes, people. If it enters 0.5, enter with 0.5 risk. I can't, Soldier Boy. Can I? Probably not, actually. I probably can't. The range is too big. Some manipulation getting ready to dump. Hey, Daddy Stocks, what's up? Times change, be the change. News at 10. I know. I'm not in a trade. Just. Does low-key look like this? Let's see if it rejects that 50%. Just tough at a time uploading pictures to. Oh, why? Should I tell you where it's going? Alexander, you can tell me where you suspect it's going. Red folder news, so it does affect the market. Yeah. Daddy Stocks, how you been? 2 minutes to go. 2 minutes. People. Okay, respected the 50. We are... Okay, 45 seconds away from news. Oh, thanks, Daddy Stocks. Take risk, Soldier Boy. I am super awesome. Well, you know, at least you're confident. I appreciate the confidence. It did tap into the 1 hour fair value gap, guys. It has tapped into the 1 hour bearish fair value gap. So if this does start to reject off of that, I would not be surprised. Let's see, this is also red news. So let's see, we have... Oh, this looks like it would have taken me out. Dude. That's okay. 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, let's go.
I was kind of expecting more. That was low-key anticlimactic. I had the whole, okay, let's go and everything. I took that buy off the open 65 up. Oh! Times change, be the change. That is amazing. Well done. I've got it. What, did your stop loss hit? Sorry. Took that buy. I'm short from 800. Nice. Will we get it right? Will we get what right? Oh, and Alexander says go long. This is interesting. Soldier says down. Ooh! Ooh, I see we have debates going on in the chart again. Going to the order block, the 15-minute order block. Rose done for the day. How am I still in? It's got some... Mum. Excuse me? Do I look like your mother? What's up, Scott? How you doing? Scotty doesn't know. Scotty doesn't know. Sorry. Ooh, not quite the rejection you would want to see. How does this look on the 5-minute? Okay, let's see, this one might be a loss, but that's okay, right? Can't just all be wins, because that's then a lie. We still have 30 minutes to an hour to backtest this. Ideally 30 minutes. Don Dumplings. Lol, this is what exactly is a joke? Hey, Don, what's up? Go up the next bubble level. These trader dreams will fade fast. Okay, Don Dumplings, why do you say that? Also, welcome. Hi, how you doing? How's it going? How long have you been trading for? Welcome to the channel. Hope you're doing amazing. Good grief. Yeah, OTT, you have a point. Okay, there we go. So that one would have been a loss. So I'm keeping all of these up, right? There's a reason we forward test. I mean, sure, it was such a solid rejection, but that's okay. So here's that level gone, gone, gone. Like I said, it did tap into that 1 hour fair value gap. The bearish 1 hour fair value gap. Because you can't beat the algo's power through bearish, it's manipulating phase. Higher time frame work. Hey Cat, what's up? This guy hating? Who's the unprofitable?
Emotional damage.
Rough. You need something to coincide with your forward or back testing. It doesn't have to be something phenomenal. Maybe try a more advanced. Okay, Angry Bob, hear me out. Hear me out. Hear me out. Why? Hear me out. Like, I'm asking genuinely, and I hope you don't see this as like disrespectful, but why? Genuinely curious. Are you done turning your table into a litter box? What do you mean? Cat, what? Beans on toast! I respect your opinion. You're allowed to have that opinion, but it does work for some people. Fiona, what is happening? Cat, are you okay? Are you having a stroke today? I feel like he's having a stroke. To the 5, so here would be my setup. But I hit that level. For this huge one that's just taken place. Okay, more likely to go bob to bob now. Yeah, flat as uncle, obviously. Euro trip, what's up? It's what you gotta do. Got a forward test, make sure you understand the correct confirmations. There we go. What does this look like on the 5-minute now? Okay. OTT, are you out of this, by the way? Keeps the direction. No indicator was going to show you how to find them. Set 1, 2. Okay. Oh, that's a good wick. That's a decent rejection. Wait for more confirmation on the 5-minute though. Let's wait for the 5-minute. Free bob sauce. Nice. 50-minute supply. Just in my uptrend prediction on Nasdaq 100. Okie dokie, daddy stocks. Let's see. Great to see a fellow SA streamer. What's up? Yeah, you flattest ankle. How have you? That was not English. How have you been, by the way? Okay. Hey, is this on TradingView? Yes, it is. Nasdaq 100 uptrend is my prediction. 496. What did I just do? Why is it? Oh, that's why. 496? I mean, potentially. Let's see. Wow, to the penny. Where in a foxhole? Well, we're still going. What does the 5-minute look like now? Good rejection off of there. Oh wait, this wick. Let's see, 139. Not completely convinced about this one. Let's see. Let's see. Back down. I think I actually moved this a little bit too far down. Just there. Broke below. The ES is moving nicely to the sell side. I know this looks kind of chaotic right now, hey. Good rejection of the 50% there. Okay. Let's see if this goes bob to bob. Brad Mondays, what's up? No, who's that, Beans? Okay, we're in the golden zone. You're like they're falling out of your head from looking at the stock market so much. Daddy stocks, I would say falling out of my head, but I guess I could sometimes get a lot. Even, I don't know, I don't even know if a lot is... Don't even know if a lot is the correct word. What's up, Louie? How was your nap? How was your sleep?
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
I made $170 on Polymarket. Up or down? 5 minutes. Okay. Order filled in 15 minutes. Maybe I've used the engulfing candle, but it felt a little bit more risque. No, this would have been it. Then yeah, set the limit to the tippy top of the wick. Maybe the 50%. Then you have a nice 1.57R. That is disgusting. To be fair, that I think that definitely goes under the unhinged pickup lines. Oh my gosh! Haven't had anyone say something that ridiculous in a long time. I'm low-key impressed just because of how disgusting and ridiculous that was. What is wrong with you? It was so good. Dreamt we rode horses after you got let's find it up to 15k profit. Louis, that's awesome. And back up we go. Baron of Foxhole. He thought she was impressed. No. No. Let's not mistake my what the heck for being impressed, please. 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 Okay. It's my setup. This is now hands off with this, so how many are we looking at? So just today in general. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 5 trades. 1, 2. 2 wins, 2 losses. Let's see how this one does. I mean, on the 5 minute, this still looks okay. Back in, it's really close at first presented. Let's see what holds up and what does. Oh, it tapped into VWAP on ES. Oh, look at that. Okay. So it tapped into VWAP on ES. What time is it now? 10:14. We're slowly running out of time here as well. Interesting. No A+ setup for me. This was also B. This may have been A+. Oh, I missed this one. I was so focused. Huh. Nope. Never mind, I take it back. Stop loss is not correct. Shoot. This one had one, 2. If the entry was low, I would have said it was good because then you had the fair value gap as well. Okay. Okay, beans. I understand. You've verbalized your opinion. Now, in respect to people that use ICT, let's see. This trade is risk free for me now. Nice, JP. Okay. I thought my dream was one of the worst pickup lines. I was like, what? I wasn't trying to pick up the truth. I had to pick up this little talking about piping. There we go. I'm gonna get that balance up even. Sort of one of those people who sell their trades just to get some kind of payment. Okay, Bean. Okay, I know you said that before I said anything. So Beans, one more thing about ICT, and I'm gonna have to respectfully put you on timeout. Okay, sorry. I'm looking long and you're so as presented. No trades for me today. I've been green the past 5 trading days. No need to risk it on a Friday. That's valid. Oh, Daddy sucks. No. How was my morning? It was good. It was good. Can't complain. Can't complain. Yeah, what do you think of the setup, by the way, Bob? Every day if it happens within the first hour. Interesting. Okay. Would you have taken this long as well, though? Probably with that engulfing, hey? That was a good wick over there. Let's see it. I know Bob doesn't move to break even. Learn about Steve Morrow. Why? Okay, so Dom is going along, and now I'm up 2k on this. Nice, JP. That's awesome. 2k is a banger, if I do say so myself. You know, I might forward test this for... How many more days forward testing do you think? Like 2 more to really make sure you got it. 2 more days forward testing, maybe 1 more day forward testing, and then start putting one micro in. What do you guys think with regards to forward testing? On the long, I would have waited for the retest, and price action really wasn't there. Even with this huge engulfing that happened afterwards? Really? Okay. No, let me not delete it, because I would have probably taken that. Okay, boom. There's my strategy. That would have been a loss. And boom. TP hit. Yeah. TP hit. Cool. Cool, cool. Cool, 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 cool. Cool, 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 cool. The only trader who shows the real market. Excuse me, I'm showing the real market. What do you mean? I would be uptrend until I hit the price I mentioned earlier. Why commit to one idea? There are so many. Why do you want to confuse yourself with like a plethora of ideas though? We need candles now, thank you. There's no time limit on forward testing. It ends when you're 100% comfortable enough being able to identify confirmation, I guess. So your entry zone was the first presented. Well, let's see, a decent rejection off of there. I know this is chaos right now. I'm trading the Nasdaq futures, what's up? Good wick. I know on the 1 minute that's a bit early to say that though. To wait for a little bit more confirmation. Maybe a few ticks below actually for this one. Hello, sweetie. Oh my goodness, this one might be a jump in too early situation though. Yeah. Let's see, but this is why you forward test. I'm pretending like I would have done that, been like, oh look, I did that, nice wick off of there. But there, actually there. This is where I have debates about where to put the stop loss a few ticks underneath. Oh my gosh. Do you think it's too late to just get in for a few little ticks over there? Just a few little ticks. Oh my gosh! I'm gonna try using Copia for the day. Accept the challenge. Check general chat. I lost my damn trading profit off that bob level. No, Louis, I'm sorry. No, moon. Notice. Don't change nothing. Do I trade in gold? I do not. Sorry. Look at this. I'll have a look now. What the heck, man? Well, tapped into VWAP on ES, that's what it's kind of jumping off of, but that huge engulfing was insane. Just a few little I mean, yeah. Look at it go. What if I just have it here, and then if it just goes up, if it breaks up to there, just if it goes up there, just for one little. How many real trades do I normally take in a day? It depends on how many, how many A+ setups are formed in the day. Some days there's no real setup, some days there's like 4. It really depends. Oh, big wicks are not ideal right now, but oh no, it's breaking above. Yeah, big wick, that was the entry on the 1 minute off of that big wick there. Not broken above here. That was actually not a... Oh my gosh, actually on the 5 minute we don't even have any fair value gaps. Interesting. What does this look like on the 15 minute? $15 tapped into first presented. Let's see. I did say this one was low-key cheeky because I got in with a 1 minute confirmation, but I'm gonna leave it up. Let's see, retesting slightly. Is it gonna retest the first presented? 9 minutes and moon. Do you make money or just watch it move? I'm still, oh, thank heavens I'm still at 40k since Monday. Thank heavens I haven't blown it, to be fair. Lots I'm forward testing today, actually. Oof, let's draw another line for funsies. Okay. Good reaction there. Ah, this is going. A little bit of a struggle to break the 9:30 a.m. Decent wick below though. Ah, wait. Sugar honey iced tea. No, it's still not an A+ setup. I don't know why I'm getting upset by that. Come on, just break above the 9:30. You can do this. Alright, here's see confirmation. We broke 9:30 now. Slightly, no, for me it only counts as being broken once the body closes above it. I'll pull back in the C, and here comes the next C. Oh, if I was a gambling man, you best believe I would have marketed in just with one contract for this, just because I can. I know that's bad though. I am aware that that's bad. Don't do that, but still. what's up, NAR? How are you doing? Don't you dare long this. Why? So Dom says TP is above the bob level. Interesting. Let's see. JP, what do I get if this works out? Damn, just because I said that. Market was like, did you just try and make a bet? Okay, bet. Short the top on NQ. Hey, Thomas. Hi. Hi, what's up? I'm forward testing the bob levels. Short the top of NQ was rejections. The midpoint of yesterday's 5-minute orb. Noise. It was also a decent. Okay. That was in control. No. Oh, I get pride. Oh, I guess that works. 3 minutes left. Brian, show the top. Sorry. Brian G, what's up? How you doing? Come on, break the 930. You can do it, Buttercup. That's me attempting to sweet talk the charts. Do you think they'll listen? Still bouncing off of VWAP on ES. Come on. VWAP, don't be like that. Better? No? Less good? Okay, we are now low-key in a little bit of a chopped area. That's not great, but yeah. I only get to talk. Sorry, my bad. Oh hell, that's a lot of trade. What's up, chill dude? How you doing? Oh, that's cool. You should let me send your strategy to this guy. Spent 2 hours showing and got a 1k pack. Oh, go on then, Thomas. If it's, how do I put this? This sounds bad. Okay. This sounds bad. I don't know if it says more about me than anything else. If it is stupid simple, I get it really quickly. I don't even know if stupid simple is the right word. You know, some people might not think it's simple. For me, I think it's stupid simple, but maybe that's the point. Like, it clicks. Oh, I got one. Always go to the after you get comfortable with this. I know! That's what I'm trying to see. So this one, I know I did hop in a little bit quick. Well, I didn't take it because I am forward testing. But if I did hop into this one, I would have hopped in a little bit quick. Like, I took it when I saw this doji. I was like, cool. Top of the wick, let's go. And then instantly came and took it out. But look at these wicks to the bottom. Look at the wicks to the top. Okay, buyers and sellers are definitely having a little bit of a fist fight over here. Not good since I'm done for the day already. That's a good first setup for the weekend. Yeah, that's awesome, Brian. Oh, if I was cheeky, I would definitely mark it in. It's a good thing I am not. Patience pays. Gotta do your forward testing first. Just combine theory, volume profile, and anything to do with momentum or volatility. I use CVD. That's my strategy. Literally, I wish I had answers for this bob level thing. I actually don't. Can we just... I'll show you this bob level during... These were all the forward tests I've done today. During London, now obviously New York. So this one would have been a loss. That's okay. I had the confirmation. There was the wick, it came. Took it out. Just, it failed. It failed to make it. So maybe when you see the volumes not voluming as you wanted to, you could maybe move it to break even. I don't know. I need to see about that. Maybe break even's just not the way. Then look at this thing. It just skyrocketed. This was a banger of a trade. This one I also had set up. You could see. Basically, I guess you could almost say this is low-key a bit of a momentum type of situation. If you wanted a better one, actually, you could maybe move the wick down to here. I said this one was just, if this broke this level, this was going up. Guaranteed. And this went bob to bob. I was a little bit greedy with this because Asia high was where TP was. So I was kind of greedy and said, let's make this Asia high. That was a 2.19 trade. This is a 2.57 R trade currently. This one was a 1.57. This one would have been a loss. Yeah. Boom! Bob to bob. Woo! Okay. JP, I get my pride now. Let's go! You can add more, you know. What do you mean I can add more? What's cheeky me? I think I want to try buying. Yes and no. So Thomas, I sat on a call yesterday with Bob going through like the different confirmations and. We had a good long conversation about all of this. So I'm sure he would have drawn it probably a little bit differently, but for me, it's also why I'm forward testing it, being like, okay, that worked out, that didn't work out. This was a freaking banger. Look at that. Woo! That was good. I know I'm not making anything. I know this is just forward testing. You know, it's so easy if there's no risk involved. Blah, blah, blah. I know. I am very well aware of that fact. But let's see. Hey Raj, what's up? For anyone that has had wins today, just by the way, you'll get a crispy whoop whoop. Again, I'm so sorry. I know I'm forward testing. You guys are probably just like, but is it not nice to see this working out? Oh, 10:30. Okay, let's see how this reacts here. Keeping an eye on everything. This did tap into that order block I see here. Beautiful tap in and then just went back up. It's fun, that's all that matters. That's true, chill dude. How do people feel about Pokemon? Pokemon.com. You know, I got Funko Pops of Pokemon. Let's just be real though, Eevee is the cutest. No risk involved. La la la. La la la. That's the gold peeking through the clouds. Yeah. I've gotta catch them all. Blazing Toro. That's hilarious. Unstoppable forever. Nothing today. I haven't taken any trades today. I've been kind of forward testing. Yeah. I've just kind of been forward testing, to be fair. No A+ setups for my strategy so far. Like I said, that one wasn't A+. This one was the closest to being an A+, so that would have won. The other one that was an A+ going up would have actually hit my stop loss. Projection of the 50%. Let's see what this looks like on the 5-minute. Okay. I don't know if I would have taken this. I'm forward testing everything right now. Okay, literally everything. I don't know if this would have been a good idea though, but there was that little bit of engulfing. There's the wick. It came straight away, took out that wick. So going to go back down now. I'm not as confident in this one as I was some of the others. Just not a decent. I mean, on the 5-minute, the wick on the 5-minute was insane. So let's see. JP, this was my long. This was the trade. There's the long done. It worked. Boom. Long sorted. Now it's going down. See, and here I have the short. Problem solved. And now this is a 2.47 hour trade. FT Cannon. So yeah, JP, I was sure about that long. That long worked out like a boss. And again. Oh wait. This one maybe I should have made a few ticks above. I mean, it was such a nice R anyways. Let's see. If I was greedy, maybe that would have happened. So I'm gonna leave it as it was. I should have maybe made that a few ticks short, like I made this one, in which case TP would have been hit there. It's normally better to make it a few ticks short, especially when it starts doing this. When to go send it to you, and I already did. Just check Discord when you feel like picking. Oh, thank you! Thanks, David. I'll check it out. Objection in the same zone. Let's see. Still hasn't tapped into that bob level. What the heck, man? This is actually blowing my brain cells. Okay, there's TP. Full TP? Yep, there's full TP. Okay, this is now getting excessive. This is getting a little bit excessive now. You know, like Fat Amy from Pitch Perfect, when she's just like, yeah. That's what I'm low-key feeling like right now. You might need some more confirmations. Let's check the 5. I mean, that wick was beautiful off of there. This wick now off of the bob level again. Okay, I can promise you I would not take this many freaking trades. That was a big wick there, so maybe this one would have been... I'm forward testing every single possibility. You know, like if I miss this one, maybe this one would have presented awesome. If I miss this one would have presented. I'm forward testing every single possibility. That doji, let's say maybe I was a little bit late. Let's say I made it there. Few ticks. Bob to bob, a few points. 1.84 R, not bad. I know this looks like chaos right now. I don't want a piece of the pie, I want the... Oh, well, you see, I am super happy with getting multiple pieces of the pie. So, you can hear Bob's voice, level to level, baby. 3 TPs in a row, exactly. I'm definitely watching Pitch Perfect now. There's some chick named Fat Amy in it. Louis, I'm so angry that you have not watched it. Yes, there's Fat Amy in it. It is awesome. Stella's tired, boss. So it's on profile. If you had taken, what do you mean, chill dude? Like I said, I'm putting this up. I think it just shows that if you missed an opportunity, there's multiple that keep presenting. This also would have been cheeky because actually after the first hour you should be call it. Can maybe push it to the first hour and a half. This is coming from the man himself who showed me this, so probably after this one I would have called it, but oh, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, microphone. I'm so sorry to you guys. Always good to see market conditions, what happens, how it reacts. Oh, definitely. This is definite profit. I mean, which trade was this? This one was maybe a little bit quick to jump in on, but this was 181. This one would have been a loss. Here, this is a 1.5 hour trade. This one is a 2.57 hour trade. This one here is a 1.84 trade. Yeah, let's see. I'm really angry. I'm really, yeah, man. Moon coming. Ah, no, and stop loss. Okay, so that one wouldn't have worked. Okay, so that one, do you see if you get a little bit cocky with it? Okay, wouldn't have worked, but also shouldn't have just hopped on with one freaking thing. That being said, that's what I did there. But this one was a bullish doji. See, forward test, forward test, forward test. Take note of all these different things. So that one would not have worked. I'm going to keep it up there so I can just see what I did, where I didn't, how I went. Dom, you still think VWAP and up? Okay, while we're quickly waiting for this, what time we're looking at? While we're quickly waiting for this, do you know what time it is? It is fun fact of the day. So, the name Jessica first appeared in Shakespeare's 1596 play The Merchant of Venice and likely came from the biblical name Isaiah, I think. Oh, I think I butchered that. Which appears as Jessica in some early English Bibles. Oh. And now Jessica is such... I butchered that. I don't even know how. Anyways. See, that's interesting. That's where Jessica first appeared. And now there's Jessas everywhere. People named Jessica everywhere. So, Jessica low-key came from Shakespeare. Very random. Nice. Okay, on to the next. Hey, physics educate? No? Yes, whatever. What strategy do I follow? So I actually follow market auction theory mixed with ICT and SMC confluences. Speaking of, I've been low-key neglecting my poor strategy. Again, this is a B setup, so no, not really. Does it look like on the 5-minute? Still, no, not really. Like I said, I'm very aware that this is very chaotic right now. I'm so sorry. Gotta leave up the good and the bad ones. So this would have worked, but I guess I got the fair value gap. And VWAP below. And again, it's a B setup. I mean, it would have worked, but not ideal. Picking up, blew through, went a little bit down. Fun fact too, Shakespeare was most likely a writing group of people under the same synonym. No ways, Louis. I call BS. The number one most popular pattern in the market is a bull flag and bear flag. A lot of people use the basic structure. This looks like a 5-minute bear flag. Plus an inverse fair value gap would help too. Huh. Ah, okie dokie. Noted. Thanks, Bob. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay. So, okay, no, the entry was correct on this one. Entry was incorrect on this one. Entry should have been a little bit higher up. Entry on this one theoretically should have been up there, which means this was not a losing trade. What's up, Periwinkle? Huh. Okay. Interesting. You see, that one was correct. Hello. This one should have been a little bit higher up. Down, not ideal. Let's see where this heads to now. Oh, actually, not really. I think it's all done now. We'll look it up. Lou, I'm gonna have to now. Put entry in first present and look. 350. Can I test something? Sure, Zuzu. What's up? We're going to 24414. Okay, so you think all the way back down, Louis. Nice. Have you placed a trade there? Yeah, so that last... No, I wouldn't have taken that last one. So I guess, yeah, it's irrelevant, but I was just remember... So the entry on this one was spot on. The entry on this one theoretically should have been a little bit higher up. Theoretically should have been there. Yeah. And then once that was taken, it was good to go. So that's still a 2-hour trade. Bottom of the wick, yeah. Not bad, not bad. Ironically, here is an A+ setup for a short. But it did not come back up. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, this is an A+ setup for a short, but it just didn't come back up. That being said, the only downside is that the VWAP was there. Okay, past new daily opening gap. Noise. Learning a lot. Oh, thank you. I think I'm learning a lot today, to be fair. So I'm glad you're learning with me. My entry on VWAP. Another whoop, another wombat run. Hey, soldier boy. Oh wait, I'm so sorry. We've been stuck in that view for a while. I'm so sorry. My bad. Apologies, apologies, apologies. Another. Okay, wait. You don't want whoops, you want screams. So you get a scream. Here we go. EP4K. Hey, whoop whoop, JP. Okay, JP then gets a whoop whoop. What in the hatedly day is this now? Tap back into there. Sure, this just has to come back up so high. Let's look on the 5-minute. I mean, I still have 3 things protecting the stop loss. Is it gonna come this far back up though? Sorry, this is now my actual strategy that's kind of presented itself here. I'm like de-risking by a lot, but I don't even care. If it works, cool. If not, it is what it is. Hey, Mick, what's up? Fire from support and sell from resistance is a good strategy. My entry in long. Let's see who buys ice cream today. Oh man, now you're making me nervous. Don't do that. But I have 1, 2. Have my shelf. 3. I have the bob level. 4. Technically, this is good. Okay, hands off, hands off. I've set it. I've set it. That's all you can do. Right? That's all you can do. don't even know what song that is, but it's stuck in my head. Hands off, let's see. Got Hands of Steel. Why do you say that? Raider. Soldier, did you think long? No, Soldier didn't think long. Soldier's all keen for shorts too. What? Where did you say, Soldier? No, Soldier, you didn't say. Yeah, my... I mean, we've already tapped into that 24,400 level. Literally, here. It was actually London low, basically, 24,400. I don't know if it's going to go all the way there or not, but... here we go. No, V, what happened? Sorry, V, what happened? I'm so sorry. How are you feeling? I don't think this is gonna come back up to get me in, to be fair, but let's see. Nope, and once this taps into the next bob level, I'm actually not so keen on it anymore, so... hitty. Overnight is a different market, it doesn't count, but it wasn't overnight. This hit during London. Oh, I guess maybe for you it's overnight, for me it's not overnight. Gabriel, it's normal? What's normal? People fading me? Yeah, it is, and it's rude. Absolutely rude. Mentally drained because I passed it yesterday. No, V, I'm so sorry. What happened though? Did you just think it was gonna go... yeah, what happened? Too many cons in? Revenge trading? Things happen, so yeah, please don't think like I'm judging or anything. I'm just... yeah. Complain to Rockefeller. What? People are allowed to come here and complain about, because, you know, it sucks. It's not a nice feeling, it's a lot. Even if you're used to it, it doesn't make it any easier. It's getting very close to not being valid anymore. Oh, so close to not being valid anymore. Let's see. Let me, wait. Quickly send something. We're in... Hi, Netness, I'm trading futures. Hold gold short under 3086. Hey Bradley, what's up? How you doing? How goes it, Bradley? Oh, sugar honey iced tea. So why that wick? Check the 5 minute. So I just want to quickly draw something out here. Okay, still need to get better. Still need to forward test this a little bit more. I saw it would have worked, it just wouldn't have been as many R's if I had done it that way, which is fine. Is that a tattoo? Yes, it is, Paul. It is indeed a tattoo. What's up? But it wasn't my entry because it didn't work with my strategy. 1 hour and yeah. And now apparently we're flying. Bit of an engulfing, not much of an engulfing. Not the best entry, but let's see. My enter for tab 0.5. What, back up? So I guess I have the new daily opening gap. Okay, value gap. I just don't know if it's gonna go all the way back up there. Let's see. That one just ran away. Okay. What's up, Power Trip? How you doing? 414, here we come. BTW, Bob to Bob, that would be the entry down here. Okay. And again, just gonna put 1. Entry for another Bob to Bob would look like so. Again, I would not take this yet though, but this would look like this. Two, 3, 3. Good rejection off of there. This is not the time to be taking Bob trades, to be fair, but still. But so many people tried to long the 800s. Oh, so to be fair, so did I. That's okay. It happens. Okay. There would have been in. Then the question comes in of where to put. Let's see. This would have been a loss or not. For rejection, do we wait a little bit longer? Okay. 434 possible. I'm actually crypto and tech on Discord. Oh, hey Power Trip, what's up? Might put your TP to 400. That's where people get trapped. Shoot. I'm not gonna lie, this bob to bob is getting excessively annoying. Hey Raffles, what's up? Take some rest. Some rest or risk? Hey Vamsi, how you doing? So that would have been that entry there. Would have been stop loss. I mean, wouldn't have taken me out. She's not retesting that level. What's this look like on the 5-minute actually? Okay, 5-minute entry actually would have been a little bit lower down there at 480. According to the 5-minute, but on the 1-minute, that doji was pretty decent. Okay, got it. Got it. That makes sense. That makes sense. I must say, I think it's going to be very difficult to not be greedy with this strategy. So there are going to have to be rules like one and done type of situation. Arrange to riches, what's up? Quit for the day? Maybe, let's see. Not working out for my trading strategy, but this bob to bob level is, how do I put this? Irritating. I don't like the word quit. Maybe, like I said, rest for the day? Arrange to riches, why? Why do you say that? Let's see. 3. Still got a little bit of time. This is not the correct time to be trading bob to bob, just by the way. So if this doesn't work, I'm not really going to be surprised. Hey Azza, what's up? How you doing? Like I said, this is not the time to take trades. Let's see how this goes. Range to riches, it doesn't look good for you. Oh God, you're being so sweet to me. Oh, I'm aware, but I'm not giving up. That's the point. And even if it does, this is my first ever funded. It happens to so many people. I know, so Debbie, one of the amazing viewers, she said she blew 9 funded accounts before. You know, to blow a funded account, especially your first ever, is quote unquote normal. Yesterday I had the very wrong mentality of screw it, I just want this to be blown, and then I got a right royal talking to, good grief, about that. But you know what, he was correct. He was correct. You can't have that mindset of, oh, I just want it to be blown and move on to the next, because that is a terrible, oh, this is actually a terrible stop loss for this position. Oh well, it's fine. Like I said, this is not the right time to be doing bob to bob levels regardless, so it's fine. Nasty Naz is treating me right. Bob to bob is killer like Jason. Happy Friday the 13th. Nice, Louis. Nice green day to go into the weekend. Yes, exactly. Huge whoop whoop. Oh, that was a decent rejection. You know, no, it's funded. This be funded. Ooh. Now that's a rejection, if I've ever freaking seen one. Range to riches, yeah. Yeah, I'm funded. I made it through the eval. I don't want you to lose this. You can recover, quit for an hour, come back fresh. Oh no. So I'm actually forward testing today. So I haven't taken any trades. I've placed 2 trades, but I haven't taken any trades. I'm forward testing something. So that's why it looks like chaos here. But I mean, you could see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 trades. Technically 6, but I did the completely, wrong setup for that one. 5 trades, potentially this one, but this is completely outside the hour. These trades should be taken within the first hour of opening. So that's why this one's kind of irrelevant. I'm just trying to work on the entry and. But yeah, forward testing 1, 2, 3, 4 out of 5 winners is pretty decent. Let's see, it keeps retesting back in. This one might come and hit stop loss. But that's okay, because like I said, I'm working on entry points here. Gamer, well, I mean, it's a funded account. I just haven't placed any trades today, so I'm just forward testing. But this is my funded account, which is why I'm not placing trades on forward testing, because that'd be dumb. That do be dumb. We don't do that. I do dumb things, I know that, but I'm not that dumb. How do you get viewers? Do you have any tips you can give for streaming or trading content? Because you keep popping up on my feed. Hey, AJS, are you complaining? Not kidding. Rude. Just kid. Just be yourself and be honest, I guess. That's about it. That's all I do. Yeah, I literally just... I'm very open and honest about this whole situation. Like I said, I have my balance up so you guys can see I am this close to destroying my funded account, but I'm not giving up. We've got this. It's why I went and I'm now forward testing this strategy. Like I said, my strategy would have had a loss earlier. There's not been an A+ setup this whole day. All the others that were A+ setups didn't come and get tagged in. This also just ran away. I guess this theoretically is an A+ setup, but now volume's dead. So, you know, clearly I needed to look at something different. Okay, so that one wouldn't have worked. I'm gonna keep it up, but I must also remind myself, well, when I journal, I must just put there that this was not correct time. If it's going to go level to level, it has to happen within the first hour and a half max. But this is the wrong time to do it. Please do vlogs in your channel. Of me doing what, gamer? I can, but what? Of what? I'm a fool. Need to put some pressure on reaction and timing on making a trade. Do a few mistakes to teach you quicker. I said, I hear you, but not the first freaking day of forward testing. That's pushing it. Last Friday the 13th, I lost my arse. I was really wrong with the timing and sized up early. Listen, range to riches, I get it. Friday the 13th, big no-no. And can I just say, these two back-to-back Friday the 13th, the weeks in between them have been, yeah, they've just been hectic. So, let's see, now that this Friday the 13th is nearly done and dusted, maybe we're only gonna have some awesome source stuff happening from there. I manually enter it, Louis, but I mean, this one, there we go. This one's updated automatically if you guys want to see that instead. Come on, take a risk. Not today. It's also too late to take a risk now today, just by the way. There would have been my trade 50% entry. 1, 2. I don't really like where stop losses for that, but okay. Just a good strategy on a phone is enough. 10k PC setup is propaganda. Nice, soldier boy. Look at you go. You want to blow props too? Gabriel, what prop chromes do you use? How's the weather in KZN? It was okay today. I am in KZN, yeah. It was okay today. It wasn't too hot. It was a little bit windy. It was actually quite a pleasant day, I'm not gonna lie. You know, like not dying of heat, but not cold and miserable and raining either. So yeah. It was actually pretty pleasant. Can't complain. Jump in now while the What's on? No, 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 not even gonna start. Oh my goodness, watch this work out. Good reaction off of that level. Let's see if I get that reaction again. You think I'm auntie? What does that mean? I took my 60 point each one for MEQ from London session, called it a day, and I'm stepping back till Sunday. Wrench to riches that... Sorry, sorry, I'm pulling a face because I don't know, my brain went you are South African. But where are you from, Wrench to riches? Phone setup is the way to go. The hell is wrong with you? Anyways, you missed the window. To the window! To the wall! I'm not gonna finish that song. Can you imagine? Oh my goodness. Nope, not gonna finish that. Listen, today... I mean, theoretically today was choppy, but not that bad, interesting. Watch this hit. Let's see. Like I said, I'm not gonna take this. I'm actually most likely gonna call it a night soon. Because I actually do indeed have a headache, and it is Friday. It is also Friday the 13th. Y'all be careful out there. Why? Oh, thanks, OTT. I was about to say, where is this human being? Can I put people in timeout? No, I don't think you can. Small bites, you don't have to get rich in one go. I'm in Baltimore. Oh, nice. No, but that's exactly. That's why I've like completely descaled. Normally I'd risk like $200 per trade. Now I'm like $80? But it is why I'm looking at this, right? Because clearly mine, I don't know. Maybe it's just not the correct market conditions anymore for it, who knows? So you have to adapt with the time. Maybe if the correct market conditions come in for my strategy again, I can start using it again. But for now, I'm forward testing this because it's making sense to me. So why not? Soldier Boy entry goes. But yeah, wrenches to riches. So I've only been trading for 11 months now. Going on a year. So yeah, I got my first funded, and it felt like it just went. But it's okay. It's okay. We carry on. We continue. I will never give up on this. And like I said yesterday, I really had the wrong mentality. So shout out to Bob. Bob did kind of give me a little don't think like that. And I was like, no, you are correct. You shouldn't think like that. I can pull this back up from the grave. You know, I know CPR, I can do this. It'll be fine. You have an accent, wouldn't it? I'm from South Africa. What's up, Dom? You're in? Awesome, girl. Heyo. I want to see if this would have hit stop loss out of curiosity. Okay. Would have missed me by a ticky tock over there. This is the most I've seen Nasdaq move on a Friday. Let's see what its plan is here. Hit the resistance. The resistance. Aw, cheers, enjoy. As of what's interesting. 11 months is quite a bit of time to stay committed, really? Wow, a lot of people have different thoughts on that one. Some people say that's like no time at all. But I appreciate that. I've only been trading a year. Thank you. Why is that interesting, Bradley? Where are you from, Bradley? Sorry, I just saw your surname. Are you not also South African? You missed the window, so you told you it was going to climb. I mean, it's dropping now. Oh, wait, you said that window earlier. Never mind. Are you from Durban, Bradley? No ways. Well, to be fair, I'm KZN side. 1 minute bounce, 250 SMA. This would be the short entry. Let's see, like I said, this would have been my setup. Let's see how this goes. Brazil here, welcome, welcome. How's it going? Seriously? Okay. Aw, Azza, you're a sweetie pie. Mad love. To be fair, okay. I'm conflicted. Let's see where this goes. You have 3 minutes to decide where you are headed. NQ? 3 minutes, let's do this. Aw, thanks, Bradley. I was the question. OTT. You're being awfully quiet in the background over there. How are you doing? Are you playing games? Is that why? Understandable. How old do I look? No pressure. Get it wrong and you're banned. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Have I taken a payout? Nope. And how long have I been trading? 11 months. Oh, that was a good rejection. Two minutes. Come on. Show me what you're made of. NQ, let's do this. 36.
Emotional damage.
36. Oh, my hair's a mess. Anyways, I am 27, turning 28 this year. Apparently I look 36. That's fine. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. We're gonna continue. Was I trying to short? I was. Well, that's why I didn't take it. But yes, this would have been for a short. That would have been stop loss, just by the way. What's my trading strategy? Roller. Market auction theory mixed with ICT and SMC confluences. Usually trading is brutal to the newbies. You seem enthusiastic, got some energy. I mean, Bradley, to be fair, it's this amazing community. I know that sounds like very cliche or whatever, but this amazing community seriously keeps me, I almost want to say, like, on my toes. They keep me grounded. They remind me that it's completely normal. It's why this community, well, it's why I started, well, this community would be nothing without you guys, but it's why I started this community for like-minded people to join together, and for the new people who maybe feel like they're going through this alone to be told that no, this is oh so normal to have to deal with. Every trader deals with this, every trader feels this way. It sucks, it's a pain in the butt, but it is, yeah, it's a reality. How's trading going? Hey Inferno, I did a bunch of forward testing today, Inferno, so no actual trades taken, but a bunch of forward tests done. So I mean, this here is my market auction theory. Would have looked like Sue. Like I said, yeah. Anyways, 1 to 2 are strategy. But at top of the range to bottom of the range is where you draw the GAN box. So this is a GAN box. Bottom of the range to top of the range. 50% of the range would be the entry. I need 3 or more confluences to protect my stop loss. So here I had a fair value gap. I call them shelves. Also probably like, an order block on a higher time frame. And I had the new daily opening gap. So that's 3. So this is theoretically an A+ setup, but my mind's just not in it right now. And it is basically lunchtime, which means volume. I say volume's not ideal, but look at it go. Yeah, that's basically it. It's pretty sweet and simple. And I mean, listen, it got me to a funded account, so I can't fault it. Just, it hasn't been working with the price action recently, and it is what it is, That's why I'm forward testing the bob levels. I mean, like I said, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades. Yeah, 5 trades, 4 wins, 1 loss. That's not bad. Technically, so this one, I took it at the wrong level. So this one, if I made 6 trades, so then 4 wins, 2 losses, still not bad. So I would short where it is now. Oh, thank you, Bob. Yep. Yeah, let's see. I'm still not 100% convinced about this, but yeah, I'm gonna leave this up. Actually, I'm gonna call it there, guys, for today. I think my mental capacity is finished for the week. It's KO'd. It's KO'd. Okay. Gabriel, I'm from South Africa. What? I am Dunzo. I'm Dunzo. Was successful forward testing day today. Was successful. Not going to complain. I'm going to leave this up though. Come back on Monday fresh as a dandelion. And sorry, my hair is tickling my nose. Fresh as a dandelion, and see how this looks. So that's going to be awesome sauce. Yeah, this could go down now. If it does, sure, just sure. Because I mean, look at how close that was to stop loss. Absolutely insane. Of course, it's dropping now. Interesting. Okay. Pointers. Pointers. I'm gonna head out now. It's been a long week. It's Friday the 13th, so let's be safe. Don't do silly goose things. Oh, damn. Look at it drop. Sorry, as I say I'm going, it starts to just take off. Nice. Okay. Looks like it would have been a winner-winner chicken dinner. Knowing my luck, if I'd actually taken this trade, it would have top-ticked me. But that's okay. Okay, so then, like I said, I'm gonna call it. Wait, I see someone saying, please answer me. Go hunt your dream. What's your question? Hey, based on order block and liquidity sweep, structure and bobs. I mean, yeah, that was a lot of information, so yes. It's a mental battle. It's harder when you do it alone. It's nice to have like-minded traders, exactly, who are telling you that, it's normal to feel this way. Helps. It really, really does help. Oh, Louis, that's okay, though. I'm going to be pissed if it hits 414. Okay. I love you guys madly. I'm calling it there. You guys are awesome. Stay safe. Have an amazing weekend. I will see you then Monday, London and New York session. Let's go, boys. Oh, guys. People. Humans. Humans? Sure. Okay. Love you. I'll stop being weird. You guys are awesome. Yeah. See you when the charts open again.